Natural timber stone. Real wood. Beautiful tables. Every home deserves a table with soul. At Natural Timber Stone, we believe real wood is where natural beauty begins. Epoxy adds artistry, depth, and modern charm. From dining tables to benches and custom epoxy creations, each piece is handcrafted using premium solid timber, with natural grain and edges that are never repeated. Whether you're drawn to minimal elegance or bold ocean-themed epoxy, our tables are designed to inspire and to last. Visit our showroom at 8 Sant Court, Ravenhall, Vic, or browse our full collection online, naturaltimberstone.com.au. Natural Timber Stone, art on wood, inspired by nature.